grid file will define the study area coverage and the resolution that will be used by the mathematical equations, defining the desired grid size. Before you start creating it, user must know the quality of the surface data and the objective of the modeling. It will help to set the grid column and row quantities, and also the grid size and its shape. OpenFlows FLOOD can create grid with 4 different shapes: constant spaced, variable spaced, curvilinear, and nested. Adding the digital surface model or a photo as a background is the first step. Opening the toolbox, the grid folder contains the tools to create it. Picking the constant spaced grid as an example, the first information requested is the grid's lower left corner coordinates. After it, defining the desired grid sizes under the X and the Y attributes, and knowing the region of interest, you can define the number of columns and rows. If necessary, set an angle for grid rotation. To finish the process, hit the Save button to get the .grd file. With this file, you can define the surfaces grid data for your project. Closing the toolbox, open now the Grid Data Tools folder. You have different tools to create it for each type of surface data supported by OpenFlows FLOOD: X, Y, and Z, raster, and shapefiles. In this example, we have a raster file, so running this tool to create the grid data, you see both grid and raster selected in the tool. If you try to open this tool without having a grid and a raster file loaded in the workspace, you won't be able to use it. If you have one or more raster files opened, select the one to be used, scrolling down the menu. The next step is to select the folder to save it. And then press Start to process. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.